Not all kinds of TCL TV and other brands are exactly what you think. No display. Had sounds we mean every time that we need to change backlights instantly. But in this case, we found out that we can repair the power supply only. Had a shorted diode at the inverter section of the board.
Ilang years na to, sir?
Ano eh, lagpas isang taon, ayun, meron siya.
Lampas na isang taon. Araw-araw ginagamit?
Na?
Araw-araw.
Araw-araw.
Adjust ko na, wala na, tumatagal na.
Every time we have a repair, we talk, we share, because we care to the customer. We need to talk about the reasons and the prevention for their TVs.
Oh, parang masakit din kasi sa mata eh. Malaking factor yun, mainit na panahon, tapos nanonood ka mainit. Tapos iinit yung mainit yung katawan ng TV. Tapos nakasagad ka pa ng backlight settings. Yan po yung yung factor nito. Picture. Lagi kong nakuha, naka 100 o 80%. Tingnan mo oh. Kaya bumigay yun. Lagi-lagi na lang ganyan, sir. Tapos minsan pa pag ganyan, nasisira yung kanyang panel, nagdodoble yung tao, nagbabar lines. Ang dami kong record ng ganyan. Mapa TikTok o mapa YouTube, may YouTube din siya. Hanggat kaya pa ng mata, parang cellphone natin. Pagka sobrang brightness, masakit sa mata, naghahanap siya ng sisirain. Yung cellphone natin naghahang, di ba? Pagka sobra-sobra. Ito naman TV, nagganon din, naghahanap din siya ng sisirain. Walang brightness, walang backlight settings pala.
Please don't forget to subscribe for some tips.